I'm going to show you how to organize your file manager before you start developing your website. So the way that you do it properly in the file manager in HubSpot. So you go to create folder. You can call it like any name. Let's say we call this one new, the name of the website. Let's say for instance you call it Apple. Okay, new Apple. Let's say for instance developing a Apple website. Okay, so normally you just rename it. You can say live because of that is gonna be your live site, live Apple site, live Apple site. Go there. So here is where you're gonna create now a subfolder. So you're gonna have the images folder. You can just put them lowercase, and then after that you have you're gonna have your JavaScript folder. You just call it JS, and then your CSS folder, CSS. You can call it style or CSS. Your CSS folder, and then you can have your other like documents. For instance, like PDF. You can say PDF or document. So let's say PDF, PDF document, and then after that you have your video document. A video document. Okay. So now if you have, for instance, like icons and things like that, the image icon with from flat icon or from any icon platform. So it's better to have also your icons folder. So now you're gonna have it like that. So you have icons, video, PDF, CSS, JavaScript, and then images. So this is the way that you set up your stuff there nicely. And then so for instance, like library that you're gonna have, if you go to JS, you have any library that you want to put there, you can put there. Or if you want to, there is like to make them to really be well organized, you can have your, because of the JavaScript and the CSS can be for anything that is external, but there's some of the any kind of like library that is external, but there is some of library that you can put them together where they have their own CSS, their own JavaScript. You just create the folder, you call it libraries. So you call them like that. And then here, let's say for instance, you have libraries. Refresh the page. So let's say for instance, inside here, in that library, when you're gonna upload it, you have the folder from like JS. Which filter can we use here? For instance, you have React, for instance. So let's say for instance, you have a React folder, React library that you're using. Yeah, you can put all the React files there. Or for instance, you have like Angular. You can put anything there. Or for instance, you have any library that they provide, carousel. You see, so carousel, you can put the stuff there. So here it can be anything, like, so that depends on your project. But if your project is just basic, so you can have some other standalone JavaScript files there that you don't, it's also coming from some certain library. You can also have like some standalone CSS there. And then there is one thing that you forget is the fonts. You're gonna need also the font folder. So the font folder for any custom fonts, you can upload them there. So yeah, so certain font like Google font, you don't need to have it there. But if you have like custom fonts that require you to upload them, you can add them there. Then there you have the CSS. Those are the CSS those are kind of like a standalone library CSS, standalone library JS. And then this is kind of like a combo library. Things like React is gonna come if you're getting some, yeah, it can come with different kind of files. So it's better for you to have them as a component, like the way that you have it like this. And then after that's video, there you can put all type of your video there, MP4 and so forth. There, the PDF, you're gonna put all different kind of PDF. And then so if you have also certain kind of documents, you can just have another folder where you can just call them, for instance, like just documents. If you have like different type of document that you want to have them separately there. Yeah, so yeah, so but the most important part is just the images. Here where you're gonna put all your images. You have your icons, your fonts, your CSS, so you organize your stuff like that. And then this is gonna be really, really great. And yeah, so it's gonna just be the matter of uploading your document. You copy it, you attach it, or you're gonna get it from the page editor when you're selecting the resources. You can get it from the custom mode when you're selecting from the resources. Oh, great. So yeah, so this is the way of selecting your stuff when you are trying to load. You start a new project to build your website. So this is the way that you organize it. You put just live Apple sites so that people can see this is a live document. So they must be careful when they are deleting or adding kind of like resources. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe for more.